Okay, so I just tiled this curb and I'm gonna show you how to do it as well. It's pretty easy. All right, so the first thing you're going to check is if your curb is level this way and if it's pitched that way into the shower. The cool thing about the Guru curbs is they do come pre-pitched. One thing that does suck is that it is quite a bit out of level. I gotta be about there, but no problem because we can fix that with our tile work. So don't freak out about that. In the future though, I think I should have done a better job just setting the curb level to begin with. All right, now that we have our tile here, what we're going to do is add these horseshoe spacers because you want to make sure that your tile is off the floor. You never want to put it right on the floor itself. We're going to grab one piece at a time, set it down on that spacer, and then make a mark right in the back, just by dragging our pencil. Okay, that's one. Edge needs to come up about 1/4 of an inch in order to make my curb level. Remember, like it was out of level there? So I'm going to line that up there. And then it has to go to 0 on this side. So we're gonna go 1/4 inch up and then to about 0 on that side. And that will make our entire thing nice and level. Just like that. Continue that over to 0, right there. And then what you can do is you take your tile, and then you can transfer these lines right down to cut. You never want to cut the back of the tile. You always want to cut the front of the tile. So now all we have to do is go downstairs and make these cuts on our tile saw. All right, now that we got our pieces cut in, we are perfectly level. Now we're going to repeat the process and do the exact same thing on the other side. So we got those back pieces cut in as well, and you can see it's nice and perfectly level. All right, so next step for us is to install these two sides. So we're going to mix our thin set, install this side. That way we can start figuring out our top, which is the last part. All right, guys, now that we have both sides done, what we're going to do is measure our Schluter strip. And we want it to go from wall all the way to this wall on both sides. And then go ahead and cut it. All right, so next thing I'm going to do is float this area. Basically add thin set to make this whole thing nice and level. Then we can set our Schluter strip and measure. We have this piece in and it's all nice and floated. What we want to measure is from that piece down there to in here. We have about 5 1/8. So now I'm going to batch cut these 3 pieces at 5 1/8. All right, now that I have our pieces cut, all I have to do is set it. I'm going to use my 1/2 inch trowel. Trowel it out really nice, gently place it, and make sure that all of my lippage works out, that there's nothing sticking out. So check this out, I wanted to show you this. I want my tile to be just a little bit above the Schluter strip or even with it. Our tile was just a little bit below it, so I didn't like that. So I added a 1/16 inch spacer in there in order to compensate for that. Because if the Schluter strip's above it, it's going to pull up water and it's going to be annoying. So make sure that's not happening. All right, so our curb is nicely pitched into the shower itself in all 3 spots here. And it is nice and level all the way across this way. I do want to tighten this up. This way the Schluter strips don't move around at all. And I have a really cool clamp trick that I do. Let me show you. All right, so in these spots, I'm going to use my clamps right here and just squish together the top of the Schluter strip, which kind of grabs the bottom row of tile as well. Just like that. And then do that in all of these spots. All right, so the clamps here are going to hold us nice and tight. Look how good that came out. Really, really happy with that. On our next video, I'm going to show you how to tile this bench and how to finish off tiling this beautiful shower. See you in the next vlog.